Ten little pumpkin. 10 little pumpkins, all in a line. One became a jack-o'-lantern. Then there were 9. 9 little pumpkins peeking through the gate. A witch took one, and then there were 8. 8 little pumpkins. There were never 11. A goblin took one, then there were 7. 7 little pumpkins, full of jolly tricks. A white ghost took one, and then there were 6. 6 little pumpkins, glad to be alive. A black cat took one, then there were 5. 5 little pumpkins, by the barn door. An owl took one, then there were 4. 4 little pumpkins, as you can plainly see. One became a pumpkin pie, then there were 3. 3 little pumpkins, feeling very blue. One rolled away, then there were 2. 2 little pumpkins, alone in the sun. One said, "So long," then there was 1. 1 little pumpkin, left all alone. Then a little boy chose him and took him to his home. 10 little pumpkins in a patch so green made everyone happy on Halloween. The end.